welcome to my channel and subscribe, like and share my channel and put the bell icon so you can get my all notifications. Now today we are going to make biscuit modaks, and today we will take some two biscuits, two magic biscuits. You take more of them also. And today we are going to make the biscuit modak. So take some little milk in a cup and take a big ball, take a small ball, one knife for cream and one spoon for mixing, and two biscuits and one plate for serving. Now let's start our. Now we have to put it the biscuit in another bowl and in cream in another bowl. See that what I can do, and you have to already do the same way. Now we can put on cream, and on another bowl we have put the biscuits. What you have to do that we put the biscuits on the mixer and grind it very carefully, and and we have to grind that. See that in small bites it can contain. Okay, now we will grind it in mixie. Okay, now I will grind it in mixie. Now what we have to do, we add some milk on that and mix it well. Be careful and see that here lumps can be. Now add little water, little milk, and make a dough, a smooth dough. Now I will make a smooth dough, and I will set for 3 to 5 minutes in normal temperature. Now I will set in normal temperature for 3 to 5 minutes in normal. Just see it look like pretty. Now what we have to do that we make it 4 balls. Okay, now make a round circle. We have to divide into 4 parts. And make small balls. It depend on you that you have to make big balls, small balls and biscuits. Depend on you that what you have can take. And here some oil contain. Now make all 4 balls. Now it can be ready. Now come to our cream. What we have to do in cream, we have to also divide it into 4 parts. See, first of all we have to divide into 2 parts, then in 4 parts. Now we have made the 4 balls. Now what we have to do, we have take one balls and stir it on that one. When we have made this, it just look like that one. Okay, now make it long. Now in that space we have to fill one cream and push up that, and put the fingerprints on that. Just look like it is looking pretty, and our one modak is ready. We have to shape that one. Okay, now in that same way we have to make the 4 balls. Now in that way we make our modak, 4 modaks. Be careful that you have to use that cream in another color and in biscuit in another color. That's why, because it can mix it. Okay, I have used white cream and brown biscuits. Okay, now what we have to do, I can take some cream, and what we have to do, we have to serve it on that one portion. In 4 way we have to also use. Now I will serve it on 4th modak. Now what we have to do, we can take some raisins for serving. I can take some raisins and divide into 2 parts and take in the modaks, the upper part of modaks. So you can also use the pista and almonds, cashew nut, but I use raisins, and you have to serve it very carefully and nicely. Okay, now our modak can looking very beautiful and pretty. Now we have to cut it and see that what it does look like. Our modak look like that one. So look, there is very looking pretty. Now you have to already do the same thing and decorate it very nicely, and subscribe my channel, like, share and put the bell icon so get you all notifications as well as soon.